Hi guys, I have here again an unboxing today that arrived, and we will open this box. As you can see, that is the box. That is inside. Wow, I did not expect that it's a lot. I thought that it's only 5 pieces or something. So there are a lot of noodles here. And it is Pancit Canton, Lucky Me, Filipino food, and Chumi noodles, Chili Mansi flavor. You can see their package is good, very good, and wow, it is cheap. I buy this is cheap, and I cannot really imagine that they have a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, boy, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, at last 18. Imagine that, 18. I think it is a lot of months of this. And this is one of the favorite of my daughter and me. We eat this. It's a Filipino food, and we buy this in Walmart, guys. And I think I buy this in 2 packs. So I love this a lot, and it's very delicious. Try this Chili Mansi, Lucky Me Pancit Canton Chili Mansi, guys. It's really good. Thank you guys for watching my unboxing, and God bless.